Hi everyone, it's me again. So it's been a while since I upload my tutorial video, but today I would like to show you guys how to make a heart on a 7x7 Rubik's Cube. Alright, so let's start. First thing you do is turn it. Okay, so you got that first line, and then we're going to do second and third. One, two, three. Okay, so now we're doing the fourth line, which is right here. And then now we're going to do the last dot right here. And there you go. You got your really nice pattern here. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you!